Hello everyone, happy fall 2022 and welcome to Wisconsin. Yeah, it's been a little while since we vlogged in Wisconsin, but we are back and starting out today at Lake Park, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is not our main attraction today, but there was something I wanted to check out here. And maybe just down these stairs. I am enjoying the terrain around here though, that is for sure. We are kind of in what I guess would be considered the near north side of Milwaukee. North Lakeshore, I don't know the neighborhoods, but basically we're just a little bit north of downtown. Well, we were supposed to see a waterfall. Waterfalls are cool, right? But we get a trickle. Yeah, this is even less of a waterfall than we had at Starved Rock. This is definitely a neat area though. May as well continue along the trail. It's been raining on and off most of my drive here, so I'm very happy to see the sun is out. Hopefully that is a good sign for our main attraction very shortly. Well, I have heard some birds, and I do hear the wind, but I definitely don't hear the waterfall. This does give me Moraine Park vibes in Highland Park, Illinois. And ironically, we are actually very close to Lake Michigan shoreline. Okay, we're sort of close to the lake. Got like a soccer game going on or something here. So yeah, clearly very, very dry along here. Definitely worth a revisit sometime. And hopefully we have a little bit more water. And I don't think that I've mentioned yet that Moraine Park, in which I've done several videos at now, some in the earliest days of my channel, is actually finally renovating their trail that led to the dog beach after the major flooding that occurred in 2019. They've supposedly been renovating this year, but don't think it is officially open yet. But I guarantee you, once it officially is, I will be back and vlogging it. I am very excited for that. And yes, it is officially fall now, the end of September, so we are starting our fall adventures. There is also a bridge here, but apparently we cannot access it. So that will end our little stop over here at Lake Park in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. But like I said, this is not the main reason we are in Milwaukee today, so we need to head back down south to downtown. I will save that for the next video though, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching. And check out this water tower. Let's do a quick little drive around. This is the Old North Point Water Tower. Definitely see Lake Michigan off in the distance there. Someone's doing a little filming or something here also. That's kind of neat though. So yeah, Old North Point Water Tower. And there's Lake Michigan.